everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Place your hand on the sheet of paper and trace lines around it. As you can see, we're going to draw the legs and beak of the hen. Add more details like we're doing here. The hen is sitting and look, it's done. Here we're going to put hand on the sheet of paper. Spread your fingers and trace lines around it. As you can see, we're going to create a beautiful swan drawing. Draw the beak of the swan and we're also drawing a little crown. Let's color it now and look, your beautiful drawing is ready. Look at this wolf drawing. Let's create it. So we're going to place hand on the sheet of paper in such a way and then trace lines around it. Draw the ears, its pointy teeth and nose and then tongue as well. Color it and it's done. Trace lines around it and draw the shape of hand. Now we're going to draw the beak and feathers like this. We are using different colors and it's done. Here we are going to create a sheet shape using hand. Place it on the sheet of paper and start drawing. Here we are going to make a dragon. Draw the pointy teeth and round eyes. We are using dark green sketch pen. Color it. We are also using yellow and orange color. And look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.